Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Sunday, April 29th. I hope your weekend is wrapping up well. I wanted to take a little bit of time to talk about how to drink from a straw without pursing your lips. This is a follow-up post to the talk that I gave a few days ago about tips to reduce the signs of aging. If you haven't had the opportunity to watch it, you really should. But at this time, I wanted to talk about the lines around the mouth. And one of the tips that I gave was to drink from a straw. And I said, you can still drink from a straw, but don't purse your lips. And of course, I know that that's probably difficult to conceptualize because we always purse our lips to drink from straws. But I've been drinking from straws for a really long time now and have essentially retrained my mouth to not purse my lips. So I wanted to take a little bit of time just to demonstrate that. Unfortunately, the straw that I have is not see-through, so you can't see the water going up. But the trick to it is to drink from the back, or to pull the fluid into your mouth from the back of your throat and to put the straw up towards the roof of your mouth. That's the trick. To not just put it right here, but to put it up and back towards your throat. Not so back that you're gagging, still towards the front, but to pull the fluid from the back muscles of your mouth. So here, I'm going to demonstrate it. This is from the front, and I like to bite the straw because I think it helps me do that better. Or you could do it from the side. I feel like it's easier for me to do it from this side. So I do it like this. And I still bite the straw. And I orient it up towards the back and the roof of my mouth. Here. Or the other side, if you prefer one side or the other. Essentially, I'm not pursing my lips. So I just wanted to take a little bit of time to demonstrate that, just to let you know it is possible. Obviously, this is not an issue for anybody who prefers to drink straight from a glass, right? Such a silly little thing to be drinking from a straw, but if you're pursing your lips over and over again, I mean, how many sips does it take to drink something like this, right? And you're doing it over and over and over again, multiple times a day, day after day, it's going to contribute to the lines forming around your mouth. So it's a good idea to just retrain your mouth to be able to sip from a straw, if that's the way you prefer to drink, to sip from a straw without pursing your lips. In any case, if you already have lines around your mouth and you want to soften them, the team of a board-certified dermatologist is best equipped to be able to help you with that. Until next time, this is Dr. Ana Sauceda, helping you put your best face forward. And we'll be chatting with you later on. Take care. Bye.